You know, in the woodworking shop, sometimes we make large projects with large parts, but we also make small projects. And sometimes those small projects have small parts that need jigs and fixtures sized just for them. Dan Martin of Galena, Ohio sent us in this tip, and it's for a small tapering jig. It's a small sled with some T-track. It is fully adjustable for width and angle, and it's got a small Destaco clamp on it. And I think that little Destaco clamp, I think it makes for a very cute little jig. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to take a small part, put it in place, and now I'm ready to cut. And so thanks to Dan Martin, we've got a small jig here that can safely cut small parts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tip, subscribe to the Woodsmith Shop channel. Every week we're adding new tips and great woodworking videos. So hit the bell to be notified. Plus, you'll find project plans and downloads in the description below.